I was efficient with the tax dollars, that I had a firm hand in leadership, but a very loose grasp, not too tight of a grasp on things, and that I always remembered where I came from. And one of the most powerful men in Virginia, Bill Howell, exemplifies that. That's, I think, part of his strength and why he's so successful, because both he and his wife, Ceci, never, ever forget where they came from. And I'm a big believer in mentorship, and Bill joked about it, but he really is my mentor. And I think back on the beginning of this, when I first started my job, I would call him just about very simple things, and I think back on it now and laugh at it, but he was just so very patient with me, and just the things that they do in the community that many of you don't know that they do, just the ministry that they have to people, that their roots, you know, they just remember where they came from. Richard Stewart and Mark Cole, you've had the same